everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at Great American RV here in Huntsville, Alabama. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. That's right, give us that thumbs up. Today, oh man, we got a good one. A 2024 Jayco Eagle, model number 360 DB OK. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 43 feet 4 inches. The dry weight is 12,510 pounds, and at hitch weight is 2,500. Now, if I ain't mistaken, Jayco has not had this floor plan very long.
Right, I think some other manufacturers have something similar, but this is a new one for them. All right, so let's start right up here. You have got some great outside storage just right up here at the front. And I'm gonna tell you guys, there's a breeze blowing and it's shady under here. I might just stand here the whole time.
No.
Okay, all right, guess I won't. Well, coming down the side, right off, you're gonna have one of your propane tanks. Your big pass-through storage here. Actually, very nice pass-through storage here. Your leveling system is all gonna be inside. Your hookups and your tank pools are in here. Coming on down here is one of your dump areas, and you have another one back here. This is going to have 6-point leveling on it.
Yeah.
Coming on around the back, you are going to have a ladder. And it's prepped for a backup camera.
Let's see what we got right here.
Yeah, you do have a towing package down here. It says up to 3,000 pounds. Just be really careful when you're towing. But then you got a really cool storage area at the back.
All right, I like it.
Very nice. Okay, coming on around to your campsite.
Hey. Well, that's why they call it the OK.
Yeah, for our outside kitchen. So you got your mini fridge right here. Your J-port, of course, will slide in right there to sit your griddle on. All right, coming on back. See that you are going to have 2 awnings. Do we have links on those?
17 and a 10.6.
All right, so yes,
when
you put these out, that's pretty much going to shade almost your whole campsite. Let's show you these other pass-through storage here. Again, just nice, big storage. This is your J-port here, and you'll see that actually is going to have a sink in it. You can bring a TV out here if you want to hook that up, and here is your other propane tank. And they also give you a plug-in right up here. So for people like me who like to do outside lights, that is an awesome place to put a plug in.
All right.
So let's go take a look at this one. Okay. A quick look around, and we'll just start here at the little coffee bar area.
All right.
You've got some super good storage up here.
Yes.
Your plug-ins, you got USB, it's going to be mounted right under there.
Nice.
Yeah, good storage down there. And guys, it's really hot, so I may have to.
You may have to what?
I may have to take a break. Ooh, anyway, you've got your pantry here. It's got all these adjustable shelves. Storage all the way down to the floor.
Yes. Uh-oh.
And, whew, we didn't prep the fridge,
Nope. Missed it.
so sorry about that.
That's all right.
It is going to have a French door there, and then 2 freezer drawers down below it.
Yes, it is. I like those. Yep.
While I'm here, you can see that your heating is going to be in the floor in this one. And your fuses, if you need to know where that is going to be located under your coffee bar.
Okay.
Here on your island, you do have solid surface countertops. Very nice. Got your power of tower right there. This is going to have a divided sink, high-rise faucet, with a sprayer, and you've got your little extra water spigot here, so you can put a one of those big 5-gallon water bottles down there.
Ooh.
Across the top, good storage on both sides of your microwave. Nice big microwave.
Yes. Nice.
Big stove.
Nice
so
big
you've
stove.
got the 4-burner with the oven.
Don't we start calling them the Karen oven?
Yeah.
Yeah. Big drawers.
Super good drawers on that side. One thing that Jayco is really good about is giving you multiple light switches like this throughout, so you can control the coach pretty much anywhere.
That's cool.
Right over here is going to be your entertainment center. You got storage across the top. That's a lot of storage, and there's a plug-in in there.
Yeah.
Big TV already in place in this one. Your sound bar. Ooh, a JBL sound bar. Nice. And you've got an electric fireplace down there. Yeah, I think there is some accent lighting, but I don't think we have everything turned on for some reason.
Hey. There we go.
Yeah, let me show you the rest of this. Very good storage. See, there's your water bottle under there, garbage can, and then you've got the drawers over here.
Ooh, nice drawers over here. All right.
And your big slide right on the front. You've got a table and chairs. You see that there's not an extra leg under there, so you're not going to hurt your knees too bad. There's going to be some extra chairs somewhere, probably under the bed. We'll look for those in just a moment. Next to that is going to be your theater seating. It will have some storage here in the middle, just like that. And you've got these really great trays for snacks, or if you need to work on a laptop while you're sitting here. And these just, well, I can't do this with one hand, but they just lift right out of that.
Here, let me demonstrate that for you.
Just
there
like
you go.
Yes, and you have some storage under there, and of course you have an extra leaf that will come out.
Yes. All right. Go right back here. And I'm going to stop right here. Holy moly.
Yeah, so this is an awesome new floor plan for Jayco.
Yeah.
So you've got a queen size bed back here, so it is a dual suite. It does have a bit of a nightstand with power and USB on it. Windows all around. You've got a wardrobe back here.
Yeah. Wow. And a couple of drawers down here. I mean, this is pretty sharp.
Very nice, very nice.
You know, this is kind of, I don't know why we don't have lights
Yeah,
back
I'm
here.
not sure.
And then you finish off. Let me open this up and I'll get out of your way.
Again, no lights in here for some reason, but anyway, you've got a mirrored medicine cabinet right above your sink, some storage, and foot flush toilet. Might be just a little bit tight, but hey, it's
That's
always
pretty
nice
sharp.
to have an extra half bath. And I will let him show you the loft up here.
All right. We got some cabinets right back there. Maybe there's some power in there. I'm not real sure, but anyway.
All right, let's head down to the other end.
Maybe it's something to do with that BM Pro we don't know about.
Yeah, it could be. It does have the touch screen here, so we aren't real sure how to operate that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, well.
Hardly any step up in here.
Yeah,
so
Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so
it's great.
no issues with headroom in here at all. Your linen closet right over here. Your second toilet here, plenty of room. Mirrored medicine cabinet up there. Great space around your sink. And really good storage down below.
Yes, I like this. Jayco does a great job.
All right, we're going to head into the main bedroom. And you're probably thinking, that doesn't look comfortable.
Well, we have storage on the bottom. There's your
your extra chairs.
extra stuff.
There is a mattress somewhere. We're
Somewhere.
just not sure where it is because it's not
Unless
here.
there's somebody that likes to sleep on wood.
Yeah, well.
Fatty, is that you?
Oh, there are weirdos among us. But.
You didn't just call Fatty a weirdo, did you? Oh, okay.
All
I'll
right.
try to edit that out.
Oh, okay. Out at the very front, you're going to have a nice big closet.
Oh,
Yeah, lots of room. There's a...
Washer and dryer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hanging all the way across.
It's all the way under.
Prep down there. Great space there for shoes. And dryer's going to go on the other side. These do, I wouldn't even point this out downstairs, have got the whisper quiet air. So you're not going to have your giant air conditioning square in here. Your TV will go right up there. And I'm sitting on this non-existent mattress here. And you've got this awesome dresser down here.
Big,
This one
big
is,
dresser.
yeah, 3 really big drawers and then 4 smaller drawers.
Yeah.
Great dresser space. And again, your TV will go right up there.
Yep. Sure.
Another shot here of Jayco's wonderful light controls.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, they're everywhere. So you can control all of the lights. Okay.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle, goodness, but basically 2 bedrooms and a half bath. Check on their website. You probably saw the sale price, but you could probably check that website and probably get a little bit better deal. And then give them a call over here at Great American. And but anyway, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.